welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use Omi TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, for this you need to simply go to your Play Store, go to your search bar and simply type in Omi TV. Now you can find Omi TV app and you need to simply install it into your device. So once you have done this, you will get Omi TV in your device. So simply go and tap open your Omi TV, provided with all the necessary permissions it requires. So once you have done this, you can see this kind of screen. So here you can choose your gender in the I am format. So if you're a girl, put girl. If you're a boy, put the boy's icon. After this, you can simply choose the country as well. So as you are selecting some country, if I'm selecting all countries, then people from all around the countries or the all around the world is going to appear in my feed. So if you're choosing a certain country, then the people active from that particular country will only on your screen. So these are your chat box. You can simply tap on it and chat with the user, and these are the emojis you can use on your Omi TV live chat. So this is your settings option. Here are some chat rules you can simply select, and this is your language. So you can simply select the language from here as well, and by doing this you can simply use your Omi TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.